Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at setting up some systems of equations using word problems. I'm not going to go through the full solving of it because we've already covered that. We're just going to look at how to set up the particular systems. In our first example, we've got the O'Neill High School Drama Club is raising money for Project Prom by producing a play that was open to the community. So on Friday night, they collected $1,344 from 64 student tickets and 96 adult tickets. On Saturday night, they collected $1,464 from 80 student tickets and 96 adult tickets. So we're trying to figure out what is the cost of one student ticket and what is the cost of one adult ticket. So the first thing we got to do is we got to set up our variables. I'm just going to use X and Y. So X is going to be the cost of the student ticket. And then Y is going to be the cost of the adult ticket. Alright, so now if we look and we use our information from the problem, we can write our two equations. So here we've got $1,344 was 64 student tickets and 96 adult tickets. Well, if we let X be student tickets and Y be adult tickets, we can write this as 64X plus 96 times the cost of the adult tickets is equal to $1,344. All right, let's look at our second equation. Our second equation we're going to take from this information. We have $1,464 was 80 student tickets and 96 adult tickets. So we'll write that as 80 times the cost of student ticket, which is X, plus 96 times the cost of a adult ticket, which is Y, is equal to 1,464. At this point, we can now use our calculator, get our X and Y values, and that'll give us our two costs for our tickets. Okay, let's look at setting up the second problem here. In this problem, we've got Jesse, Maria, Charles. They went to a craft store to purchase some supplies. All right. So it's got the things Jesse purchased and the cost. It's got the things Maria purchased and the cost. And things Charles purchased and the cost. And we'll come back to that. We want to know the cost of each item. Well, if you look at each student, we've got craft paper, we've got markers, and we've got glue. So I'm going to set up my three variables, X, Y, and Z. I'm going to let X be the cost of the paper. Y is going to be the cost of the markers. And Z is going to be the cost of the glue sticks. All right. So let's write our three equations now from our information. We'll start off with Jesse. Well, Jesse purchased 3 sheets of craft paper, 4 boxes of markers, and 5 glue sticks for $24.40. So that's 3 times the cost of the paper, which is X, plus 4 times the cost of markers, which is Y, plus 5 times the cost of the glue, which is Z. And all of that costs $24.40. Okay. Now our second person, Maria. All right. Well, Maria spent $30.40. She bought 6 sheets of paper, 5 boxes of markers, and 2 glue sticks. So that's 6 times the cost of the paper, plus 5 times the cost of markers, plus 2 times the cost of the glue sticks is equal to $30.40. All right. And now our third equation, we've got Charles. Well, Charles spent $13.40. He bought 3 sheets of paper, 2 markers, and 1 glue stick. So that's 3 times the cost of the paper, plus 2 times the cost of the markers, plus 1 times the cost of the glue stick is equal to $13.40. Now again, we would just punch this in the calculator like we've been doing, get our values for X, Y, and Z, and that would be our cost for the papers, markers, and glue.